Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet. Basically, you can connect it to the Wi-Fi network, and another thing you need to do is to copy a Google account to your watch, and you can do it through the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Once you have the internet connection and a Google account copied to your watch, we can continue. And now we need to open the Google Play Store on our watch. So let's press the Crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the Play Store icon and tap on it to enter, or rather open the Google Play Store. And once you open the Play Store, you can download watch faces in two ways. The first method is to do it through the Play Store itself. So basically you can search for the watch faces on the Play Store, you can find the watch face and install it directly from the store. The second way is to download third-party application and use the application to browse through the watch faces and install the watch faces through that application. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the Google Play Store, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the application. So once you're in the Play Store, you can tap on search, select the watch faces category right here, and once you select the watch faces category, you can scroll through the list to browse the watch faces. Find the watch face you want to install on your watch, tap on it, tap on the install button, and wait until it's done installing. And once the watch face is done installing, you will see this set watch face button, and you can tap on it to set the watch face on your watch. Allow the permissions. And once you're done, the watch face will be applied. Okay, you can also select this watch face from the watch face menu. So you can press and hold on the home screen. It will open the watch face menu. And once you open the menu, you will see the watch face right here. Or you need to scroll all the way to the right, tap on see more watch faces, and you need to find it right here on the list. And once you find it on the list, you can tap on it to select it, and then it's gonna appear on that list right here. And once it appears, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. Okay, so that's how you install watch faces through the Play Store. Now we're gonna open the Play Store again on our watch. In the Play Store, we're gonna go back to search, tap on search rather, then you can tap on the keyboard icon right here and type in Facer and tap on search. You will see this application, Facer Watch Faces. You can tap on it and then install this application. I also recommend to install this application on the phone that is paired with your watch, because it's gonna make it easier to browse the watch faces or through the watch faces and install them. So I'm gonna move the watch to the side, bring the phone right here, zoom out the camera like this, and on the phone I'm gonna also install the Facer application. So I'm gonna open the Google Play Store, type in Facer, install the app, and wait. Let's check the progression on the watch. It's still installing. Okay, it's done installing on our phone, so we can tap on open to open the app. And after you open the app on your phone, you will see the list of smartwatches, or it will detect your watch automatically. But if it doesn't, you will see this list right here. You can scroll through it, find the DIESEL On category, and on the category DIESEL On, you can select your Axial watch. Once you select the watch, you will be able to select preferred watch faces to personalize your recommendations. I'm gonna select this one, this one, this one. Okay. And once you're done, it will bring you to the home page, and after the home page loads, you will see different watch faces you can, or different categories of watch faces you can browse and stuff like that. I'm gonna tap on Explore and select one of the categories. For example, I don't know, maybe let's select fun. Once you select the category, you will see a list of watch faces. As you can see, some of them are free. For some of them, you need to pay. But let's browse through the watch faces, find the watch face we want to install on our watch. For example, this one. And once you find the watch face, tap on it to select it. If the app asks you for the location, you can tap on OK and allow the location permission. Now let's check the progression of the app on the watch, and as you can see, it is installed. So once the app is installed on the both devices and you selected the watch face you want to install on your watch, you will see this button right here. You can tap on it, then tap Set Facer on your watch. It will redirect you probably to this screen. Tap on the Open button. It will open the Facer app on your watch. Then scroll down, tap on OK. You can close the app. And if the watch face is not set on your watch, you can press and hold on the home screen to open the watch face menu. Scroll to the right, tap on Set More Watch Faces. Or rather, see more watch faces, my bad. Scroll through this list and find the Facer. Tap on it to add it to the list, and then select the Facer watch face on your watch. And it should change the watch face after a couple of seconds. Let's see. Still loading the watch face. Let's allow the permission. And here we have it. And once you have the watch face, or rather Facer watch face selected, you can simply change the watch faces in the app. For example, you can select different one, tap on here on this button, and it's gonna be installed. So basically, if you want to use different watch face, remember to select the Facer watch face, and then you can browse through the app and select the one you like and then apply it through the app. Like this. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.